Are you ready to create a full-fledged movie? Or just a character that moves along to your movements for your next marketing video? Well, do I have something for you. Welcome back to AI Plus More, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and beyond. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you, the incredible website DeepMotion. Are you ready to discover the magic of AI animations and take your creations to a whole new level? Let's dive right in. So DeepMotion AI is definitely standing out as one of the contenders, like the pioneers in the realm of animation and motion capture. With its state-of-the-art motion capture software, DeepMotion AI is revolutionizing the way animators and game developers create lifelike characters and environments. At the core of its offerings is an advanced motion capture software that utilizes artificial intelligence to create realistic animations. Whether you use it for video games, films, virtual reality, DeepMotion AI's technology is empowering creators to bring their visions to life with unprecedented realism. Now that we're all excited, let's dive into the tutorial on how to use the fantastic features of DeepMotion. Upon signing in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. After you register, the first step is to upload your character model. DeepMotion supports a variety of light formats, making it compatible with popular 3D modeling software. Once your character is uploaded, the magic begins. DeepMotion offers an array of tools, such as bone manipulation, facial expression controls, and real-time simulations. The platform even lets you import motion capture data for a more lifelike animation experience. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make DeepMotion stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, DeepMotion's AI-driven motion synthesis is mind-blowing. It can learn from real-world examples and apply that knowledge to create natural and fluid animations effortlessly. The software is powered by artificial intelligence, which allows it to analyze and replicate real-world physics, resulting in animations that are not just visually stunning, but also grounded in reality. This real-time simulation feature allows you to see the animation in action as you make the adjustments. This instant feedback streamlines the animation process and saves precious time. DeepMotion's facial expressions controls are truly revolutionary. With a few clicks, you can bring your characters to life, giving them emotions that resonate with your audience. This technology has never been so easily at the hand of every creator, so it's wonderful to see so many creations. One of the most exciting aspects of DeepMotion is its versatility and integration capabilities. Whether you're creating animated films, video games, or virtual reality experiences, DeepMotion fits seamlessly in your workflow. For game developers, DeepMotion's animations can be easily integrated into popular game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine. This allows for smooth character animations that enhance the overall gaming experience. The software's cloud-based nature allows users to access their work on their projects from anywhere in the world, making it particularly beneficial for teams working remotely. Filmmakers can utilize DeepMotion to bring their characters to life without the need for extensive animation knowledge. The platform simplifies the process, allowing filmmakers to focus on storytelling and creativity. In film and television, DeepMotion's motion capture software is used to create stunning visual effects and character animations, enabling filmmakers to bring fantastical creatures and worlds to life. DeepMotion is also making waves in the VR and AR space. Its software is used to create immersive experiences where users can interact with virtual objects in a realistic way. You can now see the magic of DeepMotion in action. We created a character from scratch, applied various animations, and we can demonstrate how easily it is to fine-tune their movements. From walking to facial expressions, DeepMotion makes it all effortless. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, comment on whatever else tools you want me to review, and now let's continue. So after you register that email, you're gonna go to sign in, this button called Go to Portal. There you will plug in your details and log in. Here we have the main console. You can see some of these are only available for premium plans, but we can animate 3D for free. These are the main necessities: no cartoon characters, no loose clothing, and no multiple people. So this is so the animation quality is the best. Also no object occlusions, no solid colored clothing, and as much as possible human subject in full view, exposed joints, and good contrast with background. Lastly, the camera should be 6 to 20 feet from the subject, tight patterned clothing, and no occlusion. So I have this stock video of a woman standing in front of a green screen. I thought that would be the best to try out the software. Here we can see how it uploads. It's under what they ask, so it's perfect. So we can click on next. Now that we've uploaded our video, we can choose if we want to do a Roblox type of character, a custom, which is premium, or a default character. I'm gonna choose default and continue. Click on next. We want some physics. You can change the foot locking if you have a premium account. You can also change the eye tracking sensitivity, the motion smoothing. In the free account, you can change the fallback position. Here you can see a little bit of the best positions for face tracking. I'm gonna choose also hand tracking, which is in a beta stage right now. It's compatible with default characters, custom characters created through Animate 3D, and uploaded character rigs that contain the proper finger rig. Also enabling this option increases processing time. You can also change out the video output. You can enable MP4 and modify other parameters. We're gonna go on and create. As we see here, this animation will use 17 out of 60 of our credits that we have for free. Here's the details on the parameters that I chose, and we're gonna click on Start Job. You can see here it's creating our animations. It's about 40% done, and it's going pretty fast. Here we can see that it's done rendering. We're gonna click on Awesome. Would you look at that? We can rotate the camera, see from above, change the angle drastically. There's a lot you can do. And it's 464 frames for this 11-second video. Now for the moment of truth, let's talk about pricing. There's basically 3 plans, but I will give you more details in a bit. Let's start out with the freemium plan. As the name says, it's free until you add more features to it. You get 60 credits per month, you get 20 seconds per clip, and you get a variety of formats like JPEG, PNG, MP4s, and others. It doesn't require a credit card to start out, so you can experiment before you commit. Moving on to the most popular option, the Innovator. Although it says $17 monthly, this is paid annually. You get 480 credits a month, you get 30 seconds a clip, and you get all the video and image formats that you got in the freemium version. And moving on to the professional version, even though you pay it annually, it's $39 a month. You get 1,500 credits, you get 120 seconds per clip, so about 2 minutes, and you get all the formats we were talking about, plus our format that is native to DeepMotion, the DMPE. And when I said 3 basic plans, this is what I meant. There's a whole plethora of variations to the plans that you can choose. There's a starter at $9 a month, you get 180 credits, and also on the other end, you get the studio at $83 a month. The main difference here is the amount of seconds per clip. You get 20 seconds, and in the most premium one, you get 360 seconds. And other than that, there's slight differences. See, the free plan doesn't include any commercial licenses, and all the paid plans do. Foot locking is included in all of them. Body tracking, face tracking, and hand tracking are included in all of them, though you can customize it more starting on the Innovator plan. In all of them, you get a physics filter for a more realistic character and movement. You get a root joint at origin. This is super useful for animations that use default characters. The free and the basic plan don't include slow motion handling, but the others do. This is up to 8 times slowed down, so keep that in mind. That is amazing for cinematic movement. And the main difference that I found on the professional and studio plans, other than the price per credit, is that they have motion smoothing and the rest of the plans do not. And this helps remove jitter and produce smoother animations, though may result in lower animation accuracy for certain frames or sequences. the frames per second gets smoother and smoother the higher the plan is. You get 30 frames per second, which is perfectly doable when you're doing the freemium version. But you get 8K and 240 frames per second in the most premium version, the one called the Studio. You also get more reruns the higher you go in plan. You get more custom characters. You only get 3 in the free version, and it goes 5, 10, 20, and 50 in the Studio version. And also when it comes to CPU overloads, users with a higher priority level will have their animations job processed first. When you get the free version, you have the lowest priority, and when you get the Studio, you have the highest, and so on. So this is all from me today. Make sure to check out DeepMotion if you're an animator, a developer, or anyone looking to elevate their creations with AI. DeepMotion is a must try. Thanks for joining us in this journey, and until next time on AI Plus More, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence and happy animating.